Good day, teacher. My name is Javier Garzón, and in this video I want to present my blogger. This is the history of Lucy and Roger. Welcome. Lucy was walking her dog in the park one morning when she ran into Roger. She hadn't seen Roger for years, since they had grown up. "Hi, Roger," she said. Roger looked at her and said, "Oh, hi, Lucy. It's been a long time. How are you?" "Oh, I'm fine," said Lucy. "I was just walking my dog in the park." "What have you been doing the last few years?" asked Roger. "Oh, you know," said Lucy. "The usual things. I've been working, having children, normal things that everybody does. And you? What have you been doing?" "Oh, not much. I've been living with my parents this whole time." "Are you working?" "No, I am not. I am looking for a job." "Well, that's interesting," said Lucy. "So, do you want to get a coffee?" asked Roger. "No, thanks," said Lucy. "My children are waiting for me at home. I'm going to make lunch." "It's good to see you, though." "It's good to see you, too." Lucy turned and walked away. Her dog followed her, and Roger watched her until she disappeared among the trees. Thank you. Goodbye.